Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to easily watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. So it's very quick and easy, so let's start. So first thing you have to do is download the Telegram application. And once downloaded, open the application and log in with your credentials. So now let's open the application now. So from here, for you to be able to watch videos without the Terabox, this one. So what you're gonna do is just simply join any groups that uploaded videos, like the videos that you would like to see. Like for example, this one, it's more on like edits and all that stuff. So you can also search for, like for example, Mobile Legends to see many videos about Mobile Legends. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!